a naturally vegan red pepper dip from the Middle East. Hey folks, I'm Azlin from linsfood.com and SingaporeanMalaysianRecipes.com. This will be on linsfood.com. This is a delicious, pretty straightforward recipe of a traditional Middle Eastern dip. The body of the recipe itself, of the dip itself, is made up of red peppers, and then it's got a few other bits and pieces to it. The only part of the recipe that you may not be so keen on is the roasting or the grilling of the peppers and then peeling the skin off, which probably takes about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your peppers and the heat used. But a shortcut, a perfectly acceptable shortcut, is to use jarred or tubs of pre-grilled or pre-roasted peppers here in the UK, sold in all our supermarkets, so easily available in the Italian aisle next to your olives, artichokes, and so on. So go get a jar of those, and you've cut out easily 45 minutes of the recipe itself. And then all you need to do is place everything in your chopper, in your food chopper, and process everything away. So let's go take a look at how we make Muhammara, our red pepper dip from the Middle East. We're going to start with roasting our peppers in a hot oven, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 40 minutes. Once they're beautifully charred, place them in a bowl, cover with cling film for 15 minutes to help the skin come off easier. And then we peel our peppers, get rid of all the seeds and any excess moisture, pat them dry and add it to our food chopper. While our peppers were roasting, we'd be preparing our breadcrumbs, toasting our walnuts, and then blitzing our walnuts in our chopper. Pulse them until you get this semi-coarse grind. And then add your roasted peppers to the chopper along with your crumbs, breadcrumbs, and walnuts. Add everything else. And then all you do is process everything until you get a semi-fine paste. Don't make it too runny and too smooth. This is the texture you want. And then just serve and top with your olive oil. You can do it this way, or you can create swirls in your paste and then drizzle the olive oil all over. So there you go. Easy, right? When it's done, spoon it into your bowl and you drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, lemon juice, or a touch pomegranate molasses if you want it more tangy, and then Aleppo flakes and a little bit of our crushed walnuts that we saved from the recipe earlier. There you go. That's it. Super easy. Keeps in the fridge easily for 4 days. Top it with a layer of oil to make it last longer. It's a little sweet from the roasted peppers. It's a touch smoky. It's tangy, and with just a hint of spice from our Aleppo peppers. If you want to make it a little more spicy, you could blend a red chili in it, or you can use some spicy chili flakes. That is completely up to you. So how do you serve it? Traditionally, it would be served as a mezze spread at room temperature. If you've stored it in the fridge, bring it out about 30 to 60 minutes before you intend to serve it, so it comes to room temperature and tastes better. It's traditionally served as part of a mezze spread with flatbreads, but it makes a fantastic sandwich spread. Or serve it with roast potatoes, as a sauce, with grilled chicken, grilled fish, whatever you want. It's a very, very flexible dip. So there you go. Muhammara, a Middle Eastern red pepper dip. Perfect for any table and any occasion. If you make it, let me know what you think. If you're on Instagram, post a picture and tag me, and I'll add it to the gallery on my blog. I shall see you guys real soon.